In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access on Google Drive link. By the end, you'll know exactly how to share a file or folder either publicly with a link or privately with specific people, and how to choose the right permission so others can view, comment, or edit. Let's start with the fastest option, making a link that anyone can open. First, open Google Drive and find the file or folder you want to share. Right-click it and choose Share. In the sharing window, look for the General Access section. Click the drop-down there and switch it to anyone with the link. Now decide what people can do with that link. Pick Viewer if you want them to see the file but not change anything. Choose Commenter if you want them to leave comments or suggestions without editing the original content. Select Editor only if you trust the person to make direct changes and manage the file. When you're set, click Copy Link. Paste that link into your message, email, or chat and send it to whoever needs it. From now on, anyone who gets that link can open it with the permission level you chose. If you'd rather keep things private and allow only specific people to access the file, do this instead. Right-click the file again and choose Share. In the Add People or Groups field, enter the email address of the person you want to invite. You can add more than one person here if needed. Next, choose their permission, viewer, commenter, or editor, just like before. When you're ready, click Send. They'll receive an invitation, and only those people will be able to access the file or folder you shared. A few important reminders to keep everything running smoothly. If someone tells you they see a Request Access message, it means they don't have the right permission yet. Open the sharing settings again and adjust either the link access or their individual permission. Also, you need to be the owner or have editor access to share a file with others. If you don't see sharing options, ask the owner to update your permissions. Finally, when you choose anyone with the link, remember that the file can be opened by anyone who has that link, even if it's forwarded. Use this setting only when you're comfortable with that level of access. That's it. Now you know how to give access with a public link and how to share with specific people in Google Drive, plus the key settings to keep your files secure and easy to collaborate on.